but it can be within plus minus 10%. So, many pharmaceutical companies are new and their investors were from the non-pharmaceutical field, so they do not have much relevant experience. Instead of looking for companies with multiple functional areas to be managed by them, it is better to find a professional company to provide general contracting services. For example, some customers want to build an OSD production workshop and bought an existing building, but the floor height of the building is less than 4 meters. As you know, the OSD production machine could be very huge or very long. The building may be not sure for the OSD production. In another issue, some clients want to produce the normal products, the oncology products, the antibiotics, and so on in one building. This is impossible under GMP regulations. The material flow, personal flow, HVAC, utilities, and even warehousing for these products must be dedicated of each other. So, we will intervene as early as possible, gain the trust of customers, and guide customers to implement the project process. For example, for new projects, if customers want to buy a piece of greenfield, it is best for us to design the whole project for customers according to the customer needs. If customers want to buy second-hand factories, we will also help customers choose the right building that are suitable for production and easy to transform. Canaan has the ability to integrate full life cycle services and can provide integrated solutions from the design phase, equipment selection, installation and commissioning, qualification and validation, operation and maintenance services, covering the entire pharmaceutical production chain. Canaan can provide customers with the equipment needed for pharmaceutical production, especially the production of API and solid preparations. All equipment from production to packaging is independently produced, which makes Canaan equipment have great advantages in continuous production, intelligent manufacturing, and digital twins. It can be customized for customers, entire lines, and greatly save operation and maintenance costs. The term of engineering design, Canaan has a team of senior EPC engineers. They have successful case experience in Asia Pacific, Europe and Middle East, Africa, Latin America, and the Russian-speaking area, and have a deep understanding of the GMP specification and the regulations in different places. Canaan engineers are proficient in BIM design and can design the best solution for customers. BIM 3D model can output drawings of any location, including the general layout, the section layout, the facade layout, which is very helpful for both initial design and later installation. After completing the concept design with BIM, BOQ files can be output, including the cleanroom panels, doors, windows, floors, ceilings, as well as equipment, HVAC, utilities, etc., which together form a cost list, including civil engineering, and the budget can be within plus minus 10%. After BIM completed concept design, VR style can allow customers to experience their future factories that have not yet been built.